Okay, so it's really day 42. Got your new fan with your 2-foot light post. Hopefully that's better. I can almost reach it. I'm like 4 inches from touching it. So I put that there temporarily, and that's gonna be moved, but I didn't want to clean it. I'm done. I am going to go stand in the kitchen at the sink. There you are. And look out. So the patio, the grout is drying today, so we were very careful where we put stuff down. Can't put stuff down there yet. Your dryer is running because I used your washing machine and dryer to wash the cleaning towels, so I can make sure that you had no leaks on your new water lines. Let me show you closest. See, there's a little box with your water lines. There's your GFCI outlet with the little light. So I want you to not worry about the dryer. So the only issue you had with the dryer is that if you want to turn it off, that doesn't work. But it doesn't matter because you can just open the door. So, and actually, I think, let me see if I turn off. Okay, so since I have it off and I would have closed the door, it just turns off, but I actually need it on, so anyway, it's not a big deal. So I realized your cabinet used to be there and the microwave used to be on it, and that's why they had this on top of it, but from the heat of the microwave, the finish from the desk came off. Hopefully you understood that. I'm gonna go back out here and let's go into the front bedroom. Went ahead and did the box spring like you asked. There is an outlet on that wire covering. I'm gonna leave these 3 fan boxes there just in case, but when you're ready to get rid of them, I want them. Your modem is plugged in here. Your table things are there. You have a mirror, 2 mirrors and these flowers, but that's Martha's job, not mine. So look, I can go stand over here and look out, I guess. That's what you wanna. What do we see? Have your light up there. I still have to wash. You have your curtain pull up. I have hooks there. I still have to wash those screens. I'm gonna leave these bars here because I have a year to return them. So you can decide when you're here, but I can tell you all the problems we have later. Oh, you got your new LED bulbs in. I don't know if you notice how bright your bathroom is now, but it's ridiculously bright with the LED bulbs. Anyway, and I did grout all this. Excuse me, caulked. And caulked all this. So that was all done today. Everybody loves your chandelier, by the way. So let's go into the master bedroom. Here you are. I I don't know what view you have. Let's see. This is the bedroom. So this remote control, there's a little bracket. And I figure I can wait till you get here, or I can put it here. Figure I can do that in every room. You can let me know. I still have to put your doorknob on. So it's this door, right, that you wanted in your bedroom. Your closet, and I put that back in there. The holes are all covered. I still need new bulbs for that. You have your new bulbs in here too. That's why it's also so bright. And this has to be cleaned. There's tarp in here still, but the pole is up. So I think that's it. I want to let my way out here with lights. So that works with the remote control, which is there. That switch needs to be on. So I don't know if you want me to mount it there. Oh, and this is your switch for your dimmer things. Remember, with the up and down? So you can turn them off and turn them back on when they're dim or full blast. There you are. There's that one. And turning that one off. That one off. Look, when I turn off the lights, you can see outside better. How cool is that? Huh. I guess I should go look out the window for the pool. Oh, the pool's not lit, but the pool itself isn't, but like the area is. There you go, that's your view from your living room. Not completely done, but it ain't November 15th, is it?